This video is general advice only. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing here today, because trading the market is hard. There are so many different things that you need to get good at to becoming what I call a super trader. There's a formula that you need to follow over time to becoming a super trader. So click here to download the super trader formula right now for free. What's up traders, John Hall here, officialjohnhall.com, giving you a quick update on the S&P 500. Right now I'm looking on the weekly chart, and let me just delete some of these lines off I've been doing my analysis on. And I'll show you what's been happening on the weekly chart. Right now we can see this market coming down, and we can see this market's broken. It's at this sort of support line through here now, and we're at a resistance line here as well too. So we can see this market really breaking down here, and if we go say to the daily chart, we can see this, right? We can see the market had a big run up, it's a big run down, and now it's still at this overall level of support. Now you can see that this area here is indeed a fact a resistance level here, resistance level, okay? So you can see it also bounced up and also supported there. So this here is actually a resistance level. So this could mean that this is likely to hold. So we've got two scenarios here, okay? One, if I bring my Fibonacci retracement out, my Fibonacci tool retracement, we can see that this here, from this point here to this point here, this is an overall support level, okay? So here's what I'm saying now, okay? There's an overall support level here, okay? And let's just draw a resistance line from here to here. Okay, let's just bring that down from there to there. And let's just bring that down from there to there, okay? So you can see we're in that sort of there's sort of resistance line going through, or basically all through there, as you can see. Okay, right through there. And so you can see this overall level here is a support level. If I just bring this over here, bring it back a little bit more, you can see that these is a support level. It's a bit of a support here as well too. Okay, so what we can see a support level here as well. Now if I show you this here, you can see this market ran up, but it also failed at this resistance level and came down, and now it's stuck between a support level and a resistance level. This is where you stand back. This is where you don't do anything. This is where you sit back and say, okay, I'm not doing anything right now until it shows me what it's doing. So right now we're seeing the market's running down through here. We did create what we have here. Let's see, we have a trough, okay? Look at this here. We have a trough, run up, made a peak, higher peak. Now we could be making a high trough, okay? But the thing is this, is that it's already ran up, so this update here was the confirm of the higher trough, okay? But the thing is this, is that if it does fail here, confirms a higher trough, but then turns into a lower peak, then we're likely to run down, especially if we start breaking below this level here, which is, remember, the 62% level. Basically these lows here, I reckon, then it's likely to continue down. Then we're likely to continue down all the way through here, and that will change the tune of the trend, okay? Listen here. Right now we have a trough. We have a trough. We have a higher peak. This could be a higher trough. If this forms into a lower peak, okay? If this forms into a lower peak, we got now a lower peak here, okay? And then so you got this trough, you got this peak. If this forms into a lower peak here and then runs down, now we're going to be breaking down now into a lower trough. So now we're going to have, this is a trough. So we're going to have a peak. We're going to have a higher trough. Now it's going to form if it forms a lower peak and then runs down, it's now going to form a lower trough. Lower troughs and lower peaks equals a downward trend. Now we're in selling mode. Okay, now sellers have control. Right now, buyers are just holding on, okay, by the peaks and troughs. Again, trough, peak, but now we have a higher trough. Okay, now we have a higher trough. This market looks like it wants to continue up, but it's failing at this resistance level. So buyers and sellers are really fighting it out here. If it breaks up above this trend line through here, okay, if it breaks up above this trend line, then we're likely to run here and probably new highs. If it fails and breaks past these levels through here, this basically box that I got here, we're likely to see a run down through here, and then now this is on a selling mode. Okay, now sellers are in control, and we're likely to run down through here, and obviously we need to take it one day, 1 week at a time. Makes sense? So anyway, guys, this is an update for today. I know this went a bit, a bit fast on you guys, but I wanted to give you a quick update to show you what I'm seeing in the market right now as I speak. This is John Hall here from officialjohnhall.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. If you're still struggling to get ahead in the markets, then you need to download the Super Trader formula right now. There are so many different things that you need to get good at, and the Super Trader formula will show you exactly what to focus on first, second, third, and so on. And I promise you this, follow the Super Trader formula and you will make more progress in the next few months than you have in the last 12 months. I know it's a big promise, but you see exactly what I'm saying. So click here to download the Super Trader formula right now for free. Also, if you're looking for more fun, more freedom, more income, then you need to download my brand new book called How to Travel and Holiday Like a Millionaire Without Being One. In this book, you'll learn how to take amazing dream trips while saving thousands of dollars and create a six-figure income by helping others do the same. Click here to download my brand new book for free now.